In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 applications to earn money by doing easy work. You can make some extra money today. After watching this video, you don't need any skills, any experience. They're completely free to start and they are available worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live, you can start making money online today after watching this video. Please keep watching. Hello, this is Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. The first application is Money App. As you see, it's available on App Store and Google Play. I'm going to show it on Google Play. If you click here, you come here, Money App, cash for free apps. As you see, it's actually the rate for this application is pretty awesome, and it's near to 5 the rate. It shows that it really works and you can make some extra money by doing just some easy work. Just doing some easy work, you can make some extra money. Some screenshots of this app. This is what you see. Fantastic offer wall, awesome offer wall, super offer wall, and watch videos. These are the no offer walls, and these are the offers that if you click, if you just tap, you can see the offers, and also you can watch videos and you can earn money by watching videos. That's it, and you can get paid by PayPal. If you do some easy work with this application, you get paid by PayPal. That's it, and this is a description of this one, and you see how does it work. And you see here it's written. You can come here. Please feel free to come here to read the information about this application. The next application is Coinpop. Coinpop, play games and get free gift cards. That's it. Yes, and you see the rate and the reviews of this application and some screenshots. This is what you see in the application. First, you need to earn coins, and then you can get rewards for the coins that you already gained. And you see you can get by PayPal, and you can get Amazon card, Google Play card, or Steam, or PlayStation, or even Walmart. And this is so nice, and you can get some gift cards, so you can make some extra money. And by doing just easy work, you can earn money, and then you can get your reward. You can get cash or you can get gift cards. It depends on you that which one do you want. And how does it work? It's written here. You see, download Coinpop now for free. Install and play any of our free games. Earn coins for every second you play. Earn coins for every second you play. Then more you play, the more you'll get out of it. Trade your coins of any gift cards or real cash rewards. That's it. Really, that's it. And this app is completely free. And as you see, there is no in-app purchases or something like this. Easy to use and so on. You can feel free, come here and read the information. And this is the application that lots of people actually, as you see here, yes, over 5 million installs, over 5 million installs, and it shows that this application is really nice. The next application is Clickworker. Clickworker, and you see here the rate and the reviews and the screenshots of this application. Earn money wherever you go. And there are some different jobs and work and tasks here, and just simple payout by PayPal, and Also there are something else. Also there are some surveys that they ask you some exactly for easy questions, and then just you're going to answer the easy questions and earn money. That's it. That how this application works for you. If you want to earn some extra money, you see that our surveys, online research, app testing, making audio and video recordings, mystery photography, store visits, writing and proofing text, categorizing data, and many other micro jobs. And if you want to really earn money by doing easy work, you can download this application and start making some extra money today. That's really easy to start with this application. The next application is 1Q. 1Q, this is the application. Get paid to share your opinion, and this is just about a survey. You see here, get market research questions straight to your mobile phone, and that's all. And you see the questions, the surveys, and for example, where do you get your morning coffee? You just answer the question, this really easy question, just local coffee shop. That's all, submit it and then earn money. That's it. You see 25 cents just by answering this easy work, just by answering this easy question. That's it. And please feel free to come here to read the information and to get some more information about this application, and please download it to get to know that how it works. And it's really pretty simple to earn money just with this application, and it's written how it works here, and everything as you can see. And the rate is really awesome. The rate also is really awesome. And if I want to show you more information, as you see, over 500,000 people install this application, and also you can join them and install this application, download this application on your cell phone, and then start making some extra money just by answering really simple questions. And then you answer simple questions just like this. For example, where do you get your morning coffee? And then you can get paid. That's all. That's really easy. It's pretty simple to start and making money online. This is that I showed you today. This is the first application, Money app, that you can it's available on App Store for iPhones and also Android. You see, Money app. The next one is Coinpop. Just by playing games you can earn money. The next one is Clickworker. Is different tasks are here. It's different tasks are available in this application. You can come to get some information, come to this page and get some information. And the last one was 1Q, and you see here that just by answering really pretty simple questions you can get paid and earn some extra money. If you're really interested in earning money by doing easy work, these are the 4 applications that I recommend you start making money online today. And it's really pretty simple to start and making some extra money today. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave your comment below this video. I'll answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click. Please click. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Please subscribe our channel. Subscribe. Please click subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Please click subscribe.